It's another magnificent Monday. I'm Sharon Ross Ingram, bringing you another magnificent Monday motivation moment. To jumpstart this Monday, here's this week's inspirational quote. Change is inevitable. Growth is a personal choice. This quote was from Bob Proctor, and it is from this quote that this week's tip is taken, and the tip is this: nurture growth and excellence. Are you mistaking longevity in your business, career, or relationships for growth and excellence? Well, I've been doing X, Y, and Z for 20 years, so of course I'm great at it, you may say. Or you may say, I've been doing this for a long time, so I must be doing something right. More often than not, remaining in a business, career, or relationship has more to do with comfort and proficiency than it has to do with growth and excellence. Perhaps you are great at what you do, or perhaps you merely become excellent at the politics of survivalism and are simply getting by rather than thriving in your professional relationships. When was the last time you questioned yourself about that and dug deep for honest answers? Avoid falling into the trap of believing longevity automatically means growth and excellence. Don't just become comfortable and proficient. Consciously invest your time, money, and efforts in information, opportunities, and experiences that expand your perspective of who you really are and improve your performance. In other words, be more and do better. To help you drive this week's inspirational tip deep into thoughts, here's this week's affirmation. Every day, I nurture my growth and excellence by consciously investing my resources in information, opportunities, and experiences that help me be more and do better. Let's say that again. Every day, I nurture my growth and excellence by consciously investing my resources in information, opportunities, and experiences that help me be more and do better. Well, that's it for this week's Magnificent Monday Motivation Moment. I'm Sharon Ross Ingram, encouraging you to always expect the best from and for yourself. Be sure to subscribe to Magnificent Monday Motivation Moment, and remember, you can get the written version of each motivation moment delivered by email to your inbox every Monday just by joining my inner circle. And here's the best part. It's free. So get more details on the many benefits of Inner Circle membership at www.magnificentmonday.com. And finally, share your thoughts on this motivation moment on Twitter and Facebook using my handle @Sharon Ingram in your post. I look forward to connecting with you again next Monday.